Understanding life insurance essentials. Life insurance is vital for securing your loved one's financial future, yet many misunderstand its purpose. The first truth: life insurance isn't just for the elderly. It's essential for anyone with dependents. Different types exist, like term insurance, which covers you for a specific time, and whole life, which lasts a lifetime. Shopping for life insurance can be easy, especially online, where you can compare quotes and features. Review your policy regularly, especially after major life changes like marriage, kids, or buying a house. Consider consulting a financial advisor to evaluate your unique needs and determine the right coverage. Do your homework. Read reviews and check customer ratings before choosing an insurance provider. Discuss your life insurance needs openly with your family so everyone understands the coverage and benefits. Buying life insurance at a younger age often means lower premiums, making it a smart financial decision. Life insurance is crucial for all professionals, not just those in traditional jobs with benefits. The peace of mind that comes with life insurance is invaluable, allowing you to focus on living life to the fullest. Encourage your friends to consider life insurance too. It's an important step in financial planning. Remember, insurance helps maintain your family's lifestyle in case something happens to you. Without life insurance, families may face financial hardships. Don't leave your loved ones vulnerable. The cost of a life insurance policy can be less than funeral expenses, making it a wise investment. Budgeting for life insurance ensures you're prepared and can afford the coverage for your family's future. Life insurance acts as a safety net, providing financial support to your beneficiaries when they need it most. Today's technology allows you to choose and manage life insurance from the comfort of your home. The difference between having life insurance and not can impact your loved one's future profoundly. Join community efforts to raise awareness on life insurance, promoting financial literacy around you. Life insurance is not just about today. It's about securing future generations and your legacy. Build a relationship with your insurance agent. A trustworthy advisor can guide you through options. Life insurance can help families celebrate life's milestones without financial worries clouding their happiness. Participate in workshops dedicated to financial planning. Knowledge is power when it comes to insurance. Empower yourself by taking control of your financial future with the right life insurance policy. Inspiration for your journey can come from others who've experienced the benefits of life insurance. Planning for the future includes ensuring your family's financial security, which life insurance offers. Following clear steps can simplify acquiring life insurance, making it accessible for everyone. The love for your family is why life insurance matters. It protects them when you can't. Take action today to secure your family's tomorrow. Life insurance is a gift of love and protection.